Hello everyone, welcome back to Surya Setu. In our previous video, we learned how to do basic capacity estimation for a solar project. Today, we are taking the next important step in the solar site survey form. This form helps us capture all the site details needed to accurate design, costing and installation. Before installing a solar system, a detailed site survey ensures that we understand the location, roof or ground conditions, electrical infrastructure, and shading issue. Without this, we risk design mistake and unexpected cost. That's why this form is so valuable. So here we can see the site survey from Surya Setu. So basic site information we are going to fill here, which is the name of company, billing address means company address, concerned person, who is the person we are going to meet, the contact details of that person, then date and Google coordinates for better understanding. So here we are looking for the existing power connection. So at the time of visit, we need to check the site is single phase or three phase, and we can check from the electricity bill their total consumption approx units. So we can suggest them solar system in future. APFC panel availability. If available, then mention here the rating and active filter also there. Then we need to mention here the rating for that active filter. Then again we are seeing here the transformer capacity. We need to mention here transformer capacity, which is 1000 kVA and all anything else. The total number of transformers, the number of transformers which are available at site, DG rating. So we are going to mention here the DG rating, which is 250, 550, 500 kVA, whatever it is. The existing city class. We can see this city class at their metering kiosk. Number of DGs. How many DGs are present at the location? Few documents we need to collect from client. The first document is electricity bill. If we are having from customer, then mark as S. If we don't have, then mark as no. Then next, the SMDB location. SMDB means where we are going to place our ACDB after inverter interconnection or after inverter connection. We have to do a single point of contact of ACDB. So here we are going to attach photos or we are going to capture photos. Then inverter location. We have to confirm the inverter location. Then PV, if there is a DG available, then we need to do PV PVDG synchronization or PVDG restriction. Okay. So if clients require anything in that, then we have to mention here so that client will require PVDG synchronization or restriction. AC cable length. From our SMDB to client termination panel, we need to measure the AC cable. It will help us to reduce the project cost. Number of evacuations. How much numbers we are going to evacuate. We need to mention here. Sanction load. This we can find from the electricity bill. Spare feeder availability. If there is a spare feeder available, then we are going to mention here yes and the capacity or spare feeder. Here also we can mention the breaker rating which is available in spare feeder. Main incomer breaker. We can find out it on SLD or client's LT panel room. And here we are going to mention in ampere. Then LT panel location, DG meter installed or not, that also we are going to check. These are the basic electrical details which we are going to take from site. Now we will check for the roof and other site conditions. So here is the type of plant. galvanized roof, flat RCC, asbestos roof, ground mount, car park, floating solar. Whichever is the type of solar we are going to install, that we need to mark here. Then if it is a tin shed, then trapezoidal standing shape, or if other type of roof, then we need to mention here. Then we need to ask about robotic cleaning system that we are going to provide or not. We can ask to client for this requirement. Then we need to request for document of site survey, which are when we are doing the site survey, which are the SLD, then roof drawings, roof elevation drawing. It will help us to design more pro efficiently. Then after that we are going to check shadow causing object जैसे कि चिमनीज टॉवर बिल्डिंग एंड अदर जैसे कि ब्लॉक टर्बो वेंट्स एएचयू यूनिट्स ऐसे होता है so we are going to check that things also and we are going to take dimensions for that particular object. Then we are going to check the next important part is tilt angle. We need to measure the tilt angle. We can measure it by the measuring tools. Then number of roofs available, one, two, three, four, or how much roofs are available for solar installation. Then if there is a skylight available, then we need to mention length and width because after that we need to select the skylight protector mesh also. That's why we need to take this information down at our side. Then number of turbos, length, width, height. We need to mention that. If there is a parapet wall, then we need to mention the height. Then most important part, roof access availability. If there is a roof access available, uh, cage ladder or any other type of ladder, then if it is a safe, then we need to mark here safe, unsafe or height, which we can measure or directly place approx. Then we need to take multiple photos of site where we are going to install the solar system. Then building height, approx building height, or we can measure from the top to bottom. Roof layout drawings. If client are providing us the roof layout drawings, then here we are going to mark enclosed or not enclosed. Then if there is a another inputs or anything else, then we can mention here. We can write it down, and then if client is don't having the drawings and all, then we need to draw manually. Therefore, here is one site hand sketch mentioned over here. So we can draw and give the dimensions of each part. So it will help to avoid missing key details, save time in design and approval, improve project accuracy, make communication easier between survey, design and installation team. So that's how you fill out the solar site survey form. This simple Excel sheet can make a big difference in your solar project success. You are watching Surya Setu, your trusted guide in solar energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Surya Setu for more solar tutorials. See you in next video. Thank you. Signing off, Dinesh Wag.